session we will see editing group options in Home tab. First, we have to click on this icon. Here we have some functions like sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum. And later we will see the option More Functions in Formula tab. Now I am selecting sum, then it will select the values automatically. Here we can see D2:D10. It means to add the values from D2 to D10 and press enter key. Then it will show total amount. Next we have selected average function and here it shows average. Like this we can select maximum, minimum and count number, etc. Later we will learn different types of functions in Formula tab. Next option is filling. Already we have learned about this option, that how to drag and fill up the values. For example, here I am giving 1 and I want to fill the same value up to the selected cell. So click on fill down, and if you want to fill towards right side, then click on fill right. Like this we can fill the values in the cells. Here we have another option, series. For example, we have to give value and then select these cells. Now select fill series. Here I am selecting columns, linear, step value is 10. Actually, the series will generate up to the selected cell, but we can give stop value also. I am giving stop value 600 and click on OK button. Here we can see the values are increased up to 160 by taking step value as a 10. Generally, I have given 600, but here it generates up to 160 only. Now I am cancelling this. Next, I am giving step value 100 and stop value 600. Here it generates the value up to 600, and in this cell it will not generate any value even it is in selection. In same way, if we select growth, then it will show multiplied values. Here I am giving step value 2. Now it shows multiplied values. 100 into 2 equal to 200. 200 into 2 equal to 400. Like this, it will generate up to 6400. In same way, I am giving another value 1. Now I am selecting date, month and click on OK button. Here it shows the values by adding with number of days in a month. Like this, we can use the option series. Next option is clear. This option is used to clear all the text in a cell. For example, I have given some text with font color, size, etc. Now select Clear All option. Then it will clear both the text and format. If we type some other text, then it will not display with any formats. Now press Ctrl Z and again it shows that word. Next, I am selecting another option, Clear Formats. Then it will delete only formats and the content is not cleared. Now press Ctrl Z. Next, I am selecting Clear Content option. Then the content will delete, but the format will not cleared. And if we type some other text, then the same formats will affect on that text. Now I am selecting Clear All option. Next option is Clear Comment. Now I want to place comment for this cell. So we have to select Review tab, New Comment, and here we have to type some text. When we place the cursor on that cell, then it will show the comment. And we can also observe that the red color mark is shown on that cell. If you want to clear that comment, then select Clear Comment option. Next one is Sort and Filter. Now we are in number field and we have the option Sort smallest to largest and sort largest to smallest. Here we have already sorted the number from smallest to largest. So I am selecting this option. Now it shows from large number to small number. And again I am selecting this option. Next I am selecting this cell and it has character values. So we have options like sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Now I am selecting this option. Then it will sort in alphabetical order. And we can also select custom sort. Here we can select sort by job, values, A to Z order or Z to A order. We can also sort the values by giving the conditions. For example, I am selecting this cell and here I am selecting E number, values, smallest to largest. Next, click on this button to add a new level. Here I am selecting job, values and A to Z. So first it will sort by employee number and then it will sort by job. Here we can see that if it has any duplicate entries, then it will sort by job. So first I am selecting job and then select employee number. Here we can see that first it will sort by job and we have 4 clerks. So again it will sort the values based on employee numbers. Next one is filter. This option is used to filter the data. Now click on this arrow mark, then it will show some options. Here I am deselecting these 2 entries. Now we can see that the data is filtered. And again if you want to show that entries, then select these 2 entries. Like this, we have to filter the data. For example, if we did not want to show the clerks, then deselect it. Now it filters the clerk and click on Select All option. Then it will show all data. If we did not want to filter the data, then select the option Filter. Next option is Find. With the help of this option, we can find the selected word. I am giving clerk and click on Find Next button. Then it will highlight that word continuously when we click on Find Next button. With the help of this option, we can replace the selected word. Next one is Go To. A10. Now it will goes to that cell automatically. Next option is Go to Special. Here we can see some other options and we have to select the particular options that which we want. Next one is Formulas. Now we can see that the values which are based on the formulas will become highlight. If you want to give comments, then we have to select this option. And this option is used to give conditional formattings. Like this, we can select these options.